This is the first woodwork that I designed and I make during the lockdown. I have designed it, I do my green corner, plant my stuff. These are the lemon plant, okay, and lime. At the back I have a chili plant. Here I have 2 chili. Look at how big it is. If you haven't seen my organic fertilizer video, try to check this out. Very interesting video. Second one is this planter box. Okay, you look at that. The ginger is still here. Have you seen my lemongrass ginger beer video? If you haven't, try to check this out. This is the second woodwork, and it followed by this. I call it in Cantonese "pat po seong." Everything I can dump it in, organize it nicely, into this box. See, I store my accessories and oil and etc. over here. I design, I make it myself. Take note, to begin with something, you have to be very detailed. So you need to come up with your design. Look at this, my freehand sketch. What do you think? Is it nice? Yeah. So you come up with something like this, and then just follow the dimension accordingly. Look at those mess I have after the project. These are going to dump away, but anyhow, I'm going to salvage some of the wooden material over here and to make my round coffee table. Look at this piece of plywood. So this will be the tabletop and the bottom. So we're going to cut up from this piece of plywood. Look at this piece of wood, which is perfect for the center pole of my coffee table. Yep. So I need to remove it from this pallet. So I'm going to use some of the tools, the Allen key, to open up this board. Right? Safety is important, right, guys? You need to wear a glove. Look at how long this nail. Oh, so long. Okay, this piece of wood is too long. From the drawing, this is shorter. Okay, we only need 67.4 cm. Okay, we need to cut to size. Right now what we have is 100 cm. Okay, now we need to cut it. Use the L-shaped ruler. Okay. So mark the line for all the 4 corners. Okay, now we're going to cut our wood, which we already marked just now, using this cutting machine. Okay, done one end. Now go to the second one. Okay, guys, done. No matter how you do, okay, with this kind of machine also you will not get a perfect surface, but we will use a sandpaper. We will make it flatter. I think this condition is good. Let's proceed to cut the tabletop. There you go, guys. To cut this is the hardest part, the tabletop and the bottom. You can see from the drawing. The top one is 70 cm and the bottom one is 45. So we will use the rope to make the circle. Hopefully I can get the perfect circle, but anyway, it's difficult. So the top 700, but we just need the radius, not the diameter. Okay, take note. So actually it's 350. Right, sorry guys, just now I mentioned about 350. Actually it's 350 mm. So we are measuring cm, right? So it's 35 cm basically. The bottom one is 45 cm, so that means it's 22.5 cm. Right, let's do it. Okay guys, he has finally done tabletop, bottom and pole. So we are going to sand it. Look at the edges, it's very sharp, which easy to cut your hand. So we need to sand it before we install the thing. Okay, we make the pole bracket first, right? So we need to mark it and then cut it into pieces to suit the pole dimension. So we cut it like this. Here you go. So all the four corners already cut. So it's just nice. Then we need to screw it up. Okay, for the four corners. Carefully mark the center line of the screw. Okay. Then mark the center hole. At the same time, you also do proper marking, on this bracket and the pole, so that is for easy identification after this. See? 2, 3, and 4. One important note you have to take care, we need to use the drill bit to drill a hole before we screw it, because if we screw it immediately after marking, your wood will be cracked, because there is no space for it to expand. So take note on that. Using the screw 4 mm by 30 mm. Okay. be sufficient. It is tightly fit. Okay, you just pull out like this. For the bottom bracket, we have completed. Now the top one, we do the same. Okay, the top and the bottom bracket is nicely fitted. So now we are going to screw it onto the tabletop and the bottom. But to do that, it has to be calculated nicely into the center and screw it. So this is the most tricky part. The diameter is 710 mm. So if divided by 2, it will be 355, right? So, okay, 355, I measure from the side. Okay, measure from the side of a few corner over here. Okay, and this is the center line. All right. What we do is we just place our bracket roughly, in the center. And then you see I do some calculation. So I measure the distance between here to the edge, because each edge, they have a different dimension. So I need to calculate the edge, the length plus the thickness. Try to get the middle. So each corner you have different kind of measurement and reading, right? So hopefully it works. Use this glue to glue the bracket, in place. So when you overturn it, is it fixed. The position will not run away. Okay. Put some pressure so that you stick to it. So apply the same procedure to make the bottom bracket to the bottom of the table. Okay, now we try to overturn it slowly. Okay. Now we drill the hole and then we screw it. Let's screw it now. Let's see the condition. Flush. Okay, flat. Let's turn around. Okay, the screw is perfectly go in. You can see there's no protrusion, at the side or whatever. Okay, great. Okay, for the bottom bracket, same, we do the calculation, and then we're going to screw it. Try to take a look. How nice is it, right? However, the surface is quite rough, and you see all this marking, I need to remove it to give a better finishing. So I need to sand to smooth. All right, let's do it. All right, this is the final last step. We put on the sticker to make the appearance much better. Okay. Guys, what do you think about the finishing? Great, isn't it? Look at that. There's some 3D effect.